Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? HTML meta tags, charset, viewport, name, link, and title. Let's start coding. I want to talk about meta tags. Meta tags define metadata about HTML document. Meta tags always go inside the head element and are typically used to specify charset, viewport settings, page description, keyword, and author of the document. Let's talk about charset. UTF-8 is a universal character set. It helps to recognize characters in the project. We will talk more about it when we need it later. Some other tags such as description, keyword, author to help search engine to understand the aim of the page. For example, Google goes to the page and fetch sort of data and make some decision about the page and website. Let's talk about viewport. Without a viewport meta tag, mobile devices render page at a typical desktop screen width and to scale the page down, making them difficult to read. Setting the viewport meta tag lets you control the width and scaling of the viewport its size correctly on all devices. Let's talk about title. Title is title of our web page. I'll show the details in a minute. And link. Link is help us to fetch external file from outside of our project. I'll give more example about it when we start the CSS subject. Let's run our project and have a look at all tags in the head section. We just need to click the go live button and that is our project. So let's have a look at the title. Title test project. As you see, we see the title. And I will show the link later, not at the moment. And let's have a look at the rest of the tags. We just need to right click on the page, then view page source. We see all web page codes like this. Let's have a look at it. Author name, keyword, description, viewport, and UTF-8 character set. As you see all of them here. I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.